basta palagi mong tatandaan, ang pinaka-wish ko talaga yung good health. Gusto ko, nasa iyo na naman lahat eh. Ang gusto ko lang yung malusog na pangangatawan, hindi ka magkakasakit. Kasi alam mo, marami pa rin kami na basta lagi kami nandyan para sa'yo.
I would like to take this opportunity para ipagmalaki ko sa inyong lahat kung gaano kabuti si Ate Weng. She's a very amazing woman, napakabuting sister-in-law and daughter-in-law. I'm very thankful and grateful for having a big sis in you.
Ate, I can't thank you enough for your help, for your guidance, for your support, and most especially for your love to our family.
Weng, I love you very much and happy 50th birthday today. More birthday to come. I wish you all the everything. Good health, long life, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Weng! We are very grateful being your friend and looking forward to a 100 years.
Naiiyak na po kanina pag-enter pa lang ni Mommy kasi I know everyone here, she's probably touched your life at some point and you guys have touched her. So thank you for coming and for celebrating it with us. It's a very special day now that she's reached her golden birthday and it means a lot that you guys are here. So let's have fun tonight.
Mama, I love you so much. Thank you for raising us the way you did with utmost love and care. Thank you for teaching us to be kind and for showing us how to love. I won't say much na, but I wish to spend more moments with you, Ma. Happy birthday!
Ano pa ba i-wish ko sa'yo? Lahat naman nasa iyo na. Siguro, gusto ko lang mag-thank you for being a good friend, a best friend. Sa'yo, no filter. Thank you for crying with me, for laughing with me, for always being there for me. Alam mo yan, alam mo yan. I wish you more happiness. Kasi so you can spread the happiness sa lahat ng nasa paligid mo, I know.